Biogas production by microbes here. The sewage water is having some organic material, and that organic material is, when it is oxidized, here the biogas is produced. In rural areas generally the dung is available. Here mostly the village people are depending on the cattle. They are used for different purposes. So the dung is available in the rural areas. That's why here the dung or gobar, generally the dung is called as gobar. Here the gobar is used for the biogas production. Here these biogas fermenters or biogas plants are constructed in the villages. So it is one biogas plant. Here the dung and water, the slurry, the dung and water, it is mixed and it is pumped into the into this tank. So it is generally 10 to 15 feet height, 10 to 15 feet depth in the soil. In the soil it is constructed, and it is here the slurry means here the dung and water and some anaerobic bacteria or methanogenic bacteria, methanobacillus, methanobacterium. So the methanogenic bacteria are present in this dung. So generally the sewage water is containing number of methanogenic bacteria, and cattle, in the cattle also the rumen is the part of one part of stomach or in the digestive system. So the rumen is also containing some methanogenic bacteria. So naturally the dung is also containing methanogenic bacteria. So here naturally the dung is containing the bacteria. So here when it is mixed with water and in the anaerobic conditions, here it is fermented, and it is floating roof. In the floating roof, here when the gas is produced by the bacteria, anaerobic bacteria, they are digesting the organic material. So the organic material is generally the dung containing some organic material. The organic material is containing the cellulosic materials. So generally the cattle take vegetative parts. The vegetative parts are generally containing the cellulose materials. So these cellulose materials are, when they are digested, large amount of methane is produced. So here the anaerobic bacteria which are present in the rumen also in the cattle. So the methanogenic bacteria are helpful for the cattle, or they are digesting the cellulosic materials in the stomach, and they are improving nutritional quality in the stomach, or they are supplying the nutritions also. So in the digestion of cellulosic materials, the anaerobic bacteria or methanogenic bacteria, they are involving in the cattle's stomach. So here also the same. Here the dung is containing number of bacteria. The bacteria are here digesting the organic material or cellulosic material, and then gas is produced. This gas is collected and it is supplied to the nearby houses. So the gas is containing the biogas. Here the biogas is also called as gobar gas. Why? Because the dung is generally called as gobar. So from gobar it is produced, it is called as gobar gas. The gobar gas contains methane. Here methane percentage 50 to 70% of methane. Major component is methane. And carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is 30 to 40%. Next hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide. So they are up to 10%. So it is biogas composition. Major component is methane. So it is when it is produced, collected, and it is supplied to the nearby houses, and that is used as, that is inflammable, and it is used as used for cooking and lighting purpose. Here also, here the already spent slurry is there. Spent slurry that is collected. So this sludge is it is also used as biofertilizer or fertilizers. So the sludge is used as fertilizer. So this sludge is here it is also improving the soil nutritional quality. That's why that is used as fertilizer or biofertilizer. And this method here, this method is generally in India. It was developed by Here IARI, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, and Khadi Village Industries Commission. So in India, this method was the biogas production method was developed by your Indian Agricultural Research Institute and Khadi Villages Industries Commission. So both these institutes developed the biogas production. So this biogas production or biogas plants are generally constructed in rural areas. So this is about biogas production.